For generations, natural remedies were passed down quietly through families, often rooted in simple ingredients with powerful properties. One such remedy that's gaining attention again is onion peel tea, a humble infusion made from the papery skins of onions. Traditionally used by elders for urinary health and inflammation, this tea may offer gentle support for the bladder, kidneys and prostate, and all it takes is something you'd usually throw away. While we often discard onion skins, they are actually rich in quercetin, a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Onion peels also contain flavonoids and trace minerals that have been shown to support immune health and reduce oxidative stress. When consumed as a tea, these compounds may help reduce inflammation in the bladder and prostate, support urinary tract health, improve kidney filtration, relieve symptoms of an enlarged prostate or BPH, promote overall detoxification. Natural anti-inflammatory support. Chronic inflammation is often linked to prostate enlargement and bladder irritation. The quercetin in onion peels may help reduce inflammation in these sensitive areas. Diuretic properties. Onion peel tea has mild diuretic effects which can encourage regular urination and support the removal of waste products through the kidneys. Antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress plays a role in prostate issues and urinary discomfort. The flavonoids in onion peels act as antioxidants, protecting cells and tissues from damage. Hormonal balance. Emerging research suggests that plant flavonoids may help regulate hormone activity related to prostate health. How to make Grandpa's onion peel remedy. Ingredients: skins of 1 to 2 organic onions, preferably red or yellow, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: rinse onion peels thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Boil 2 cups of water in a pot. Add the onion skins and reduce the heat. Let simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off heat, cover and let steep for another 5 minutes. Strain and drink warm or cool. You may add a bit of lemon or raw honey for taste. How often should you drink it? For general support, 1 cup daily, preferably in the evening. For targeted bladder or prostate support, 1 cup twice daily for 1 to 2 weeks, then take a break. As with all natural remedies, consistency and moderation are key. Safety notes: always use onion peels from organic onions to avoid pesticide residues. Consult with your doctor if you have chronic kidney conditions, take medications, or are undergoing prostate treatment. Avoid if you have known allergies to onions or sulfur-containing compounds. Final thoughts. Sometimes the simplest remedies offer the most surprising results. Onion peel tea may not be well known, but it has quietly supported urinary and prostate health for generations. Affordable, easy to make, and rich in natural healing compounds, it's worth trying if you're looking for a gentle way to support your body's detox and hormonal balance.